my name is Amenta Benny. I'm from Ryan International School, Mayur Vihar. I'm very thankful to my school for giving me such a platform to visit this institute, CSIR, and I really like the Jigyasa program because it gives a platform to students who like science to research and innovate and maybe explore their interests more. And I really like this institute because it has lots of opportunities for students and non-students alike to explore and get to know more about research, technology, and not just technology but like all other domains such as biology. And we learned so much about all the innovations that CSIR has done, and it has helped us all so much in our day-to-day lives, and we didn't even know that it was made in this institute, and I'm so proud that I was able to visit such an institute. Definitely a 10 out of 10 experience. Thank you so much.
Good morning everyone. My name is Amol Jain and I'm from Rand National School, Mayur Vihar. And first of all, I would really like to thank my school for giving me an opportunity to come here in this institute, CSIR, which even I didn't know it existed, but now once I have come here, I've now known its importance in our day-to-day life and how its innovations have been shaping our lives since past 30 decades, and was curious to know about all the findings that have been done here. And I also found the specimens here very interesting, and the research which has been going on is truly inspiring, and I would definitely like to visit it again if I would get an opportunity. And that's all. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I am Arsh from Ryan International School, Mayur Vihar. So I am really thankful to my school for giving me this opportunity to visit CSIR. And the best part of this whole trip was the mineral reserve part, the specimens and the ores and the things that were preserved there were truly fascinating, and I am really curious to see more things like that. And the innovations that the CSI have done in past 5 decades, so this is really inspiring, and I think I'll be visiting it more if I get a more opportunity. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Ronak Jain from GSBB number 1 Shukupur, and I am present here to attend the Jigyasa program hosted by NISPER. And my experience was very good here. I was very warmly welcomed, and when I sat down, the teachers warmly greeted everyone and told us about various things about the contributions made by the CSIR across our country, and how we can do scientific journaling. So the things told by the teachers and the great doctors of this institution really helped me get a really good insight about my career and how I can pursue things like researching and further in scientific research. So, and there was a quiz after the lecture. There were 2 lectures, one about the various contributions of the CSIRs across the country, and the second was about how we can do scientific journaling and how we can write articles about science and their research.
मेरा नाम तरुण है, मैं 12वीं क्लास का छात्र हूँ और मैं राजकीय सर्वोदय बाल विद्यालय नंबर 1 से हूँ। जैसे कि आज हम आए हैं CSIR निस्पर में, यहाँ पे जिज्ञासा प्रोग्राम हुआ है आज, और यहाँ पे बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस हुआ हमारा और बहुत अच्छा लगा मेरे को यहाँ पे आके स्कूल की तरफ से, और बहुत सारी चीज़ें मेरे को सीखने को मिली यहाँ पे। और यहाँ पे हमें 2 एग्जीबिशन दिखाए गए, पहला था हर्बेरियम और दूसरा था स्वास्थ्य। दोनों में बहुत ज़्यादा हमें सीखने को मिला। जैसे कि हर्बेरियम में हमें डिफरेंट टाइप के मिनरल्स देखने को मिले और एनिमल्स देखने को मिले और रॉ मटेरियल देखने को मिले, और स्वास्थ्य में हमें सिखाया गया कि कैसे हम ट्रेडिशनल चीज़ों को यूज़ करते हैं हमारी चीज़ों में कुछ ज़रूरत पड़ती है तो। एंड यहाँ के बहुत अच्छा लगा मेरे को और बहुत सारी चीज़ें सीखने को मिली। यहाँ पे क्विज भी हुआ और प्राइज़ भी दिए गए बच्चों को।